Hi, thank you for giving me the opportunity to be part of the Hackathon 2020. The topic I chose this year was to redo the Hackathon website. And I'll show you what I came up with here. Working solely on this, so won't be the prettiest site, but I think the functionality is definitely something that I would like to see. And definitely, hopefully, the way I set this up will help whoever maintains that site, give them a little bit easier time to get participants in, and so on and so forth. So let me show you what I did here. In the current page, there's different sections at the top for the introduction, the judges, prizes, so on and so forth. So I kind of broke those down and inherited from a template called title description base, as each one of those sections had a title and a description. So pretty generic stuff. So, but that's part of it. But that's not the exciting thing. One of the things I wanted to do was kind of break down that page a little bit further. So then you would have teams and team members, but the parent folder for those would be a country folder. So, the hierarchy would be country, team, and then within that team you can select team members. And team member, you can change emails, so on and so forth, links, and same thing with teams, team names, and all that. So I'll show you right now how that's set up. So you can see this is how that was built. Pretty simple. You get your introduction. It'll look familiar to you. Anything you've seen before. Entry submission requirements, judges, prizes, so on and so forth. But that's just the intro on the top. So that's not the most exciting part, but it is exciting, because this can be edited, and if you want, you can break it down further, more if you need to. So as far as teams go, right, created this folder, and then as you can see, I broke it down by country. So you got India, Russia, USA as an example here, and then I have a folder of members. So these are anybody that is participating. Obviously you get a lot of repeat people, so it's kind of cool to be able to edit them if you need to. But they're there in the system, and you need to contact them and get any information from them. It's there. So then, under each country is the team. So, for instance, here's Team Avengers. You got your name, team logo, and then you got your members that you can pick from. And then from there, we got this hackathon page. And I'll show you that real quick here. The details. Pretty simple page. You have these title descriptions, rendering, which basically will do all the renderings for anything with a title description. So all the intros, judges, prizes, all that stuff. So pretty generic. But then you also have the teams here, and then it's got data source. It's inserted main, but that's gonna basically connect to this teams folder, and then you'll see in the code how that kind of comes together. But pretty simple stuff. Sitecore out of the box. But let's take a look at the page. Keep in mind, I did not have a front-end developer, so it kind of looks like it's the 90s, but still runs on Chrome. So anyways, let me show you. This is Sitecore 9.3 site. As you can see, here's the intro, submission requirements, judges, prizes, kind of like you see now. But with this change, which I'm really excited about, I added this drop down. So right now you see teams from different countries: India, Russia, USA, so forth. Here's the teams. Here's Avengers and Defenders, two from USA, one from Russia, and one from India. The cool thing about this is you can just select any of these countries and say USA, and then you got here's the teams from USA. Same thing with India, Russia, or you can just do all of them again. So I really like that feature, especially because I can see what other people are doing from other countries. It's kind of exciting. And obviously I know you have some where you have India and US together, and that could be set up as a folder, and those teams will be put in there too. So it's pretty flexible, and it's just on the actual teams, it's just a tree list, so you can remove anyone at any time you need to. So pretty easy to set up. But yeah, that's the solution I came up with, and I hope you like it. Thanks again for putting together the Hackathon 2020.